We want to determine the equation of the line passing through the given 2 points, and we want that equation to be in standard form, or the form we see here. Notice how the x and y terms are on the left side, and a, b, and c must be integers. So our strategy is going to be to first find the equation in slope-intercept form, and then convert the form of the equation to standard form. So we're actually going to use the form y equals mx plus b to help us determine the equation of the line, where we know if we have 2 points on the line, the slope is going to be equal to the change in the y-coordinates, or y2 minus y1, divided by the change in the x-coordinates, or x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So if these are our 2 points, let's go ahead and call these the 1's and these the 2's. So this will be x sub 1, this will be y sub 1, this will be x sub 2, and this will be y sub 2. So let's start by determining the slope of the line passing through these 2 points. The slope is going to be equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1, that's 7 minus 1, divided by x sub 2 minus x sub 1, 1 minus negative 1. This is going to be 6, and this is going to be 1 plus 1, or 2, so the slope of the line is equal to 3. So again, referring back to slope-intercept form, we know the equation must be y equals 3x plus b. So we still need to determine the value of b, or the y-intercept, and we can do that by selecting one of these 2 points and substituting in a value for y and x. So for example, if we decide to use this point here, we'd substitute 7 for y, 1 for x, and then we can solve for b. So let's go ahead and do that. We would have 7 equals 3 times x, but x is 1, plus b. So we'd have 7 equals 3 plus b. So if we subtract 3 on both sides, we can see that b is equal to 4. So now, by substituting 4 for b, we have the equation in slope-intercept form. We would have y equals 3x plus 4. But remember, our ultimate goal is to have the equation of the line in standard form, so we need the x and y terms on the left side of the equation. So to do this, we'll have to subtract 3x on both sides of the equation. So this will give us negative 3x plus y equals positive 4. Now we do have the equation in standard form, but I do want to mention that many textbooks express the equation of a line in standard form so that the x coefficient is positive. So we could multiply everything by negative 1 to produce an equivalent equation with a positive coefficient for x. Let's just go ahead and do that. So we could also express this equation as positive 3x minus y equals negative 4. Either of these equations are the standard form of the linear equation, but we also should recognize that they are equivalent because it could be written either way. And the last thing I do want to mention in this video is that a, b, and c do have to be integers. So for example, the slope was fractional, we would have to clear the fractions from the equation in standard form. And we'll take a look at an example like that in the next video.